Are you busy right now? Are you busy right now? No, I am free right now. No, I am free right now. Have you had breakfast? Have you had breakfast? Yes, I had breakfast an hour ago. Yes, I had breakfast an hour ago. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am studying English. I am studying English. Can you help me? Can you help me? Sure, I'd be happy to help. Sure, I'd be happy to help. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going to the market. I am going to the market. Did you call me yesterday? Did you call me yesterday? Yes, I called you, but you didn't answer. Yes, I called you, but you didn't answer. Will you come tomorrow? Will you come tomorrow? Yes, I will come tomorrow. Yes, I will come tomorrow. Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling? Because I am really happy today. Because I am really happy today. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? No, I prefer tea. No, I prefer tea. Have you finished your work? Have you finished your work? Yes, I've already finished my work. Yes, I've already finished my work. Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Of course you can. Of course you can. What time did you wake up? What time did you wake up? I woke up at 6 o'clock. I woke up at 6 o'clock. Are you feeling better now? Are you feeling better now? Yes, I am feeling better now. Yes, I am feeling better now. Did you enjoy the movie? Did you enjoy the movie? Yes, I really enjoyed it. Yes, I really enjoyed it. Will you wait for me? Will you wait for me? Sure, I wait for you. Sure, I wait for you. Have you ever visited Delhi? Have you ever visited Delhi? Yes, I visited Delhi twice. Yes, I visited Delhi twice. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? I am looking for my phone. I am looking for my phone. Can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me clearly? Yes, I can hear you clearly. Yes, I can hear you clearly. Why didn't you come yesterday? Why didn't you come yesterday? I wasn't feeling well yesterday. I wasn't feeling well yesterday. Are you ready to leave? Are you ready to leave? Yes, I'm ready to leave. Yes, I'm ready to leave. What did you buy? What did you buy? I bought a new dress. I bought a new dress. Do you know her? Do you know her? Yes, she is my best friend. Yes, she is my best friend. Have you seen my notebook? Have you seen my notebook? No, I haven't seen your notebook. No, I haven't seen your notebook. Would you like some tea? Would you like some tea? Yes, I'd love some tea. Yes, I'd love some tea. Can you drive a car? Can you drive a car? Yes, I can drive. Yes, I can drive. Are you coming with us? Are you coming with us? Yes, I'm coming with you. Yes, I'm coming with you. What are your plans for today? What are your plans for today? I am going to finishing my work and relax. I am going to finishing my work and relax. Did you sleep well last night? Did you sleep well last night? Yes, I slept very well. Yes, I slept very well. Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Yes, everything is fine. Yes, everything is fine. Why are you so quiet? Why are you so quiet? I'm just a little tired. I'm just a little tired. Have you cleaned your room? Have you cleaned your room? Yes, I cleaned it this morning. Yes, I cleaned it this morning. Can you speak English fluently? Can you speak English fluently? Not fluently yet, but I am improving every day. Not fluently yet, but I am improving every day. What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? I'd like to have some pasta. I'd like to have some pasta. Did you complete the project? Did you complete the project? Yes, I completed it yesterday. Yes, I completed it yesterday.